Yo YouTube, what is going on? So if you are searching for the best Avatar World promo codes, then I'm going to show you how to get an absolutely awesome one, guys. This is going to give you tons of free gifts in Avatar World, and this is the best promo code that I've discovered, and I spent hours searching, guys. So this tutorial is basically going to show you how to get your Avatar World promo code for free gifts. You can also unlock all as well if you wish. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use a mobile phone. It doesn't matter which phone you have, just as long as you do have an internet connection, guys. And you've got to head on over to this website. So make sure you type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it. www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, ROBOTCOUPONS. Very important you type it correctly. This is a coupon code website that I discovered, guys. They have tons of codes on here for different games. They have some like promo codes for shopping websites, but basically go to the search bar, search for Avatar. And you're looking for the Avatar World promo codes page, guys. Now, I will note these codes are limited, but at the time of recording this video, there is a ton of them. And you can see, guys, there's a couple of different options here. You can get all free gifts in Avatar World, and you can unlock all places, packs, and characters. So in this video, we're focusing on the free gifts Avatar World promo code. So click on show code. Now, because these codes are pretty desirable, this limits one code per person. So you can only get one of these codes, guys. So you need to unlock your personal code because these are limited. So tap unlock code. And this is going to count up to 100%. So it's basically unlocking your code. I'm going to cancel this, guys, because I've already got mine. But basically, when you get to 100%, it's going to show you a new screen. And if this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will likely need to verify you are a real person, but that only takes a few minutes. Just follow the instructions. You usually have to complete a couple of tasks. These can be like downloading and playing free games or answering survey questions. Just follow the instructions and your code will then be unlocked and you can enter it in game, and that's going to give you tons of free gifts in Avatar World. This is by far the best promo code that I've discovered, guys, and trust me when I say I've been searching for hours. And yeah, all these codes are cool, but this one is the best one. So go to Robot Coupons, guys, and unlock your code. Just follow through the instructions. Take your time. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes, but it's well worth it. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.